Hey guys, welcome to today's video. If you have accidentally or intentionally deleted chats or messages from your Facebook Messenger, then don't worry. I will show you how you can recover your deleted Facebook Messenger messages and chats in simple ways. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before you think you have deleted messages or chats from Messenger, let's try to find your missing messages on Facebook Messenger. Your Facebook chats or messages do not go anywhere unless they are either archived or deleted by you. If you can't find your Facebook messages, check your archived section first. On the other hand, removing your messages will delete them from your Facebook chat box and you will not be able to restore them. Now, let's get back your archived chat on Facebook Messenger. To do that, follow these steps. First, log into your Facebook account and tap on the Messenger icon in the top right corner. After that, you will be redirected to the Facebook Messenger. Next, tap on the hamburger icon to open the Facebook Messenger menu and select Archive. Now, tap and hold Archive Chat, then finally select the Unarchive button. In short, you can't restore deleted Facebook chats on your account. But there are ways to view your deleted messages. You can view your removed or deleted Facebook messages by requesting data from Facebook. This can be done by following the steps. First, sign into your Facebook account and tap on the hamburger icon to open the account menu. Then select the gear icon to open Facebook settings. Now scroll down to your information section and tap on the download your information. After that, you will be led to the Facebook's account center. Click on continue to download your information. Next, tap on the download or transfer information button and select your account profile and then tap on the next button. Now, tap on the specific types of information. Select messages and next. After that, select the destination where you wish to receive the deleted Facebook messages and tap on the next button. Create a download file by entering specifics such as date range, email address, format, and media quality. Once you have made the desired modifications, then tap on Create Files. With that, your data request will be sent to Facebook, and you will receive a notification on your Facebook account after some time. Now, log into your Facebook account on your PC to open received data from Facebook. You can't use your phone because those files will not be supported by your phone. Once you're logged in, tap on the bell icon to open recent notifications. Then click on the notification that says your meta information is ready to download. Just remember that the download option will only be available for 4 days. After that, you will have to send a new download request to Facebook. Now select download and enter your Facebook password. Then click on continue to download a zip file on your PC. Once you have downloaded the zip file, extract the data from it and open the extracted file. Now click on your_Facebook_ activity and open the messages folder to see the HTML files. Next, select your_messages and you will be redirected to your PC's web browser page. Finally, click on the name of your desired Facebook friend to see your deleted or removed Facebook messages on your PC. If that doesn't work, then click on the View on Facebook prompt. It will redirect you to the Facebook Messenger's chat box. Select the desired contact and your deleted Facebook messages will be recovered. Losing important Facebook messages can be a catastrophic experience for you. You can recover your deleted Facebook Messenger messages by requesting Facebook to send a copy of your deleted chat messages. Or you can ask your Facebook friend to share a copy of your sent Facebook chat messages. So, that's all for today's video. If you like watching our content, then give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thanks for watching.